Mezi from Mezi's Meals. How are you doing? Today I am going to show you a quick dinner or lunch idea. This is something you can put together, when you are so tired at work and you come home and you have nothing to eat at home and you have these things in your fridge, you can put it together. So it's going to be a very quick dinner idea, very healthy but fulfilling. I'll show you that today. And I just want to ask you, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe, like, and share my video. And also follow me at Instagram at mezismeals.com and also Facebook at Mezis Meals. Mezismeals.com is my website. You can also go there and find some good recipes. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's get started. Today's dinner is going to be a tuna salad, but it's not going to be your ordinary tuna salad. This tuna salad is packed with lots of vegetables and protein and all nutrition. I started by chopping maybe a half red onion, bite size, and like you can see here, and then put it in the bowl just to start and assembling our salad. Then I also chop a Roma tomato. This Roma tomato is optional. You don't have to use Roma tomato. You could use any kind of tomato you have in your fridge. It could be grape tomato or any other tomatoes that you have. And I'm chopping this bite size and also add it to the bowl, as you can see. So the next thing is going to be our avocado. Avocado is, as you know, it has lots of nutrition and lots of protein in it. Very important for our health, and it is our favorite in our home. We use it on a toast or to make a guacamole or any kind of salsa or dip. It is really good source of nutrition and very healthy. I'm chopping that also, as you can see, a bite size, and then add it to the bowl. So you can increase or decrease the amount of things that you're using, how many people are eating, depending how many people are eating in your home. So the next thing is your jalapenos. You can not use jalapenos, but jalapeno gives it a great taste or flavor for your tuna salad. So I am using one jalapeno and chop it, like you can see, very finely or a bite size, and then add that to the bowl too. So the next thing is your lettuce. I am using red leaf lettuce, but you can use any type of lettuce you have in your fridge. It could be spinach or Roman lettuce or any type of lettuce you have, you can use. And I'm adding that to the bowl. Then the next thing is going to be adding our tuna. So I have a tuna here, a can of tuna. A can of tuna is so important. You should have it in your home, and it's a good shelf staple or something you can grab and make something out of. And then I also added my garbanzo beans. Any kind of beans works here, but garbanzo goes with tuna, so I'm using that. Then, as you can see, I am adding some feta cheese. Feta cheese is my favorite cheese. It's optional, you don't have to use it, but it gives it great flavor. It's salty and tastes really good. It's a Greek cheese or a Mediterranean cheese. You can use it on your pita bread or any kind of bread, and it is really amazing. So now we are going to make our salad dressing. I have 1 lemon juice, a splash of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, some maybe half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and then I am going to add some good extra virgin olive oil and make sure I mix it well. As you can see, it has to have a good consistency. And then once we are finished mixing it well, then we're going to add it to our salad. So we are mixing it, then we test, make sure we have all the seasoning good, and then add it to the salad. So here is our salad, and we're adding it our salad dressing. Then mix it well, and then this is ready to be eaten. Look at this, it's a really good salad. It has everything in it, the protein, the vitamin, all kinds of nutrition in it, and it's easy to make. Very simple but fulfilling dinner. It has the garbanzo beans, the tuna, the lettuce, the onion, the cheese, everything. Now we're going to be ready to plate our salad, and I'm getting my plate here, and then we're plating. After we plate, it's time to eat. So here, as you can see, we're plating our salad like this, and it is really beautiful. It is something we look at and we can eat, because sometimes we eat with our eyes. If it doesn't look good, we don't eat it. But here, this is very nice and nutritious. And I also added some pita bread. This is whole wheat pita bread. I toasted it in the oven and added it to our salad. So you can use bread or anything you want to this. And then here I am getting ready to eat my dinner, or to taste the salad, and it is very, very, very fulfilling. I hope you guys are going to make this salad and enjoy it too. It is very simple to make. It's easy to make. After a long day from work, you come home and you can put this together in no time. If you do this, let me know and post it in my Instagram, or let me know how you have done it and how it tasted to you. So my Instagram is Mezi Smells, and my Facebook page is also Mezi Smells. I have a website, mezismells.com. You can find some good recipes there too. And also I am working on adding other recipes, and I should be able to make those in the near future. But right now, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share to your friends and family. I appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching. Until I see you on another video, may God bless you. Bye bye.